Xalts acquires Contour Network. Xalts has announced its acquisition of Contour Network and its plan to launch an application ecosystem for embedded trade financial solutions for global banks. Monite raises €6 million in funding round. API-first fintech Monite has secured a €6 million seed round in order to optimize its embedded finance solutions and expand in the US. Commerzbank adopts Temenos loan origination solution. Switzerland banking platform Temenos has announced that US-based Commerzbank has adopted its loan origination solution. OpenPayd partners with TrueLayer. OpenPayd has announced its partnership with TrueLayer in order to optimize its instant payment services for its clients in the region of the UK and Europe. Tonik introduces Luv Stash, a joint savings account. Singapore-based digital bank Tonik has launched the Luv Stash, a savings account that enables couples to save and earn a 4.5% interest rate. REISS adopts Teamwork Commerce's mobile POS solution. REISS has partnered with Teamwork Commerce to deploy mobile POS across U.S. stores in a bid to improve in-store efficiency and customer experiences. Visa, Checkout.com, and Stake fuel real estate investments in UAE. Visa, Checkout.com, and investment platform Stake have partnered to launch a cross-border account funding solution to facilitate real estate investments in the UAE. Capital One to acquire Discover Financial. Capital One has announced its acquisition of US-based credit card issuer Discover Financial Services in an all-stock transaction valued at $35.3 billion United States dollars. Flagrite partners with Traxion. Singapore-based provider of iNative anti-money laundering (AML) compliance and fraud prevention solutions Flagrite has partnered with Traxion. Capital One to acquire Discover for $35 billion. Capital One has made a $35 billion bid to acquire Discover Financial Services, in a move that radically reshapes the payment card industry. Banks barking up the wrong tree over CBDC deposit flight, says ECB. The European Central Bank says banks are barking up the wrong tree when they fret over the impact of deposit flight from a future digital euro, arguing instead that stablecoins and electronic money institutions pose more of a threat to the deposit base. TerraPay appoints Ruben Salazar Genove, former head of Visa Direct, as president. TerraPay, a global money movement company, is pleased to announce the appointment of Ruben Salazar Genove, recently the global head of Visa Direct, as president. OpenPayd bolsters instant payments with TrueLayer. OpenPayd, the leading global payments and banking as a service (BaaS) platform, today announced its partnership with TrueLayer, Europe's leading open banking payment network, to enhance its instant payment solutions offering for its clients. Billhop forges relationship with Eurocard. Billhop AB, the leading card enablement platform, announces a strategic partnership with Eurocard, the foremost commercial card issuer in the Nordics. Red Compass Labs appoints Trevor Lafleche and Kelly Johnson to senior posts. Red Compass Labs, a world leader in payments modernization, has appointed Trevor Lafleche as head of product and Kelly Johnson as SVP for the Americas to fuel the company's growth plans. Danish fintech startup Franklin goes live with first payment cards. Franklin, a Danish fintech platform targeted at e-commerce businesses, unveils its solution today while announcing a strategic partnership with NIUM, an e-money institution and Visa principal member, which will provide financial services for Franklin's customers. Engelbert gets green light from FCA to approve crypto asset promotions. Engelbert, a cutting-edge regulatory services firm with a cumulative experience of over 3 decades in the legal, regulatory, and financial landscapes of the UK, has achieved a groundbreaking milestone by obtaining authorization from the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, which will allow it to approve crypto asset promotions in the United Kingdom. Monzo eyes GBP 4 billion valuation with a new funding round. UK-based fintech Monzo has taken steps to finalise a deal that would raise enough capital to bring its total valuation to £4 billion British pounds. Molly Capital goes live in the UK. Netherlands-based financial services provider Molly has announced the launch of Molly Capital in the UK to provide retailers with up to £250,000 British pounds in financing for growth. Adyen, Billy partner to bring BNPL to European businesses. Netherlands-based fintech that provides end-to-end payments, data, and financial management in a single solution, Adyen, has partnered with B2B payments innovator, Billy, to enable B2B buy now, pay later, BNPL payment services across Europe. Infinicept and Parachute Advisory announce partnership. Infinicept, a provider of embedded payments, and Parachute Advisory, a consulting firm focusing on payment solutions, have announced their partnership. Billhop partners with Eurocard. Billhop has announced its partnership with Eurocard in order to streamline the payables processes for businesses and clients within the Nordic region. Payplug and MangoPay partner to boost payment offering. Omni-channel payment solution Payplug has recently announced a new partnership with modular and flexible payment infrastructure provider for marketplaces, MangoPay. Sovos launches Compliance Cloud for tax and regulatory compliance. US-based compliance company Sovos has rolled out the Sovos Compliance Cloud to help businesses navigate global tax and regulatory environments. MasterCard partners with SWU to offer crypto cashback services. Global card issuer MasterCard has partnered with Netherlands-based mobile wallet SWU to offer crypto cashback on everyday purchases. Adib eases cross-border payments with Progress Soft. Abu Dhabi Islamic Bank, a leading financial institution, announced the successful launch of a new payment hub that allows customers to conduct their transfers in a quick and efficient manner. CME to offer trading in micro Bitcoin Euro and micro Ether Euro futures. CME Group, the world's leading derivatives marketplace, today announced it plans to further expand its cryptocurrency derivatives offering with the addition of micro Bitcoin Euro and micro Ether Euro futures on March 18, pending regulatory review. NAB welcomes government direction in relation to the practice of screen scraping. In August 2023, the government released a discussion paper asking for feedback from organizations to inform its policy development options for regulating screen scraping practices. This concludes our current edition of the BayPay Forum podcast. Remember that you can read the full text of each article in our news section on baypayforum.com. We hope to see you tomorrow.